Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my January 2023 The Balanced Company monthly snack box unboxing. I am so excited about this. The Balanced Company is a subscription box company that has quickly become one of my favorites. This is my second snack box and oh my gosh, let me tell you, the first snack box that I got was so incredible. I loved every single snack that I got in there. So I am so excited to be unboxing another one of these because I definitely need to restock up on my snacks. Those ones that I got before are now long gone. But so if you're not familiar with the Balanced Company, it is a woman-owned company and they curate boxes that help you live a balanced lifestyle. And they have so many great boxes. They've got lifestyle boxes that are seasonal for women and men. They've got home boxes, pantry boxes. This is snack box, and everything I've seen from the Balanced Company is awesome. This box is filled with so many different snacks. I'm so excited to see what's in here, but I do want to give a disclaimer that this box was sent to me for free. But this is not a sponsored video. I just always try and give a disclaimer when something is sent to me for free. But they also are doing a huge sale right now. It's 40% off the snack box. And I'll have this in the description down below, but the code is TAKEOFF40. So that is an amazing discount. And of course, I'll have this linked in the description down below. But without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Oh my gosh, yes, like I said, a lot in here. Oh my gosh, my stomach is probably going to growl in this video because I am hungry and these snacks look incredible. Oh, first, let's pull out Uglies kettle chips. I got some Uglies kettle chips in the last box. They were like one of the first things I ate. I love kettle potato chips, and these are jalapeno flavored. I am very into spicy foods now. This sounds so perfect and delicious to me. Next, we've got, oh my gosh, a chocolate bar. Smooth and creamy milk chocolate, 48% cocoa from Endangered Species Chocolate. Oh my gosh, this sounds like such a great company and it sounds delicious. I also love chocolate. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, next, from Rhythm, this is organic carrot sticks with sea salt. In the last box, I think I got the Rhythm cauliflower crisps. Incredible. So I'm sure the carrot sticks are going to be amazing because I actually like carrots more than I like cauliflower, and I thought the cauliflower crisps were amazing. So I can't wait to try these. There's so much in here. Next, I've got Hippie Snack Almond Crisps, Rosemary. I love the smell of rosemary and the taste of rosemary. And I love snacks. Like, I feel like I can say that I love everything that I'm going to pull out here because truly I do. I am a snack fanatic. These I can't wait to try. We've got, some packs of sour Cran made with organic cranberries. Oh, delicious. Sour peach and sour watermelon cranberry snacks. Like, my mouth is actually watering right now. I can't wait to taste these. Sorry about the crunching there, but we've got a crunchy bag next from Beanitos. White bean tortilla chips with the hint of lime. Oh, I love the hint of lime with my tortilla chips. Delicious. Next, I've got Have a Ball organic fruit and nut snacks, apricot and cacao nibs with hazelnut coated in coconut. Every ingredient that I just read off got more and more delicious sounding. These sound incredible. Next, Have a Ball fig and walnut coated with coconut. Oh my gosh. A lot of these brands, and I should say, this is Sunny Fruit brand. But a lot of these brands I'm not familiar with. I typically do my grocery shopping at like BJ's Wholesale Club, Aldi's. So maybe some of these brands are maybe more at like Whole Foods or some type of grocery store like that I like never go into. So these are kind of new to me and I love trying out new things. We've still got more in here. Next, Pina, Picante, chili lime, spicy dried pineapple. Here I was saying that I like spicy things. This sounds right up my alley. And this is from the brand Crisp Green. And we've got, bone broth, instant chicken broth. I really should try this. I've never tried drinking bone broth before. I was pescatarian for a few years, maybe like 4 years, and I just 1 year ago actually went back to eating meat. So I've never actually tried bone broth. This is chicken broth. So I think I would really like it, especially in these cold months. My house is really cold too, so I love like a hot drink. This sounds perfect. Oh my gosh, can you believe all of the products that I just pulled out? I have so many incredible snacks in front of me right now. I'm actually surprised they all fit in this box here. And I mean, this is a big box, but there are so many snacks in here. So this is just such a fun subscription. You know that you're going to be stocked up every month in incredible snacks, but it's also a really fun way to try out new foods. Maybe you get to try something that you wouldn't have picked up at the grocery store on your own. I know that's definitely the case for me here, but it just makes it even more fun to get this subscription and try these foods. Well, actually, by the way, if you've tried any of these foods, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts on them. And thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.